students. Once again, I am back with another video on the lost child from your Moments book, and this is the last third part of the chapter in which we will complete this chapter. So, in the first two videos, we finished it till here. Let me explain. Here, lifted him up in his arms. So, now in this video, we will finish this chapter. So now that man asked the child, "How did you get here, child? Whose baby are you?" And that man asked the boy that, "How did you get here? तुम यहाँ कैसे पहुँचे? And whose baby are you? Who are your parents?" The man asked as he steered clear of the mass, and that man just took him out of the crowd. The child wept more bitterly, and the child started weeping more furiously, and then ever now and only cried. और अब वो सिर्फ रो ही रहा था, और अब वो क्या कह रहा है? I want my mother, I want my father. He is again saying the same thing. The man tried to soothe him by taking him to the roundabout. Now the man tries to make him comfort by taking him to the roundabout. He says that let's go to the roundabout, we will have a swing there. Will you have a ride on the horse? वो पूछता है उससे, क्या तुम घोड़े पर राइड करना पसंद करोगे? He gently asked as he approached the ring, and he asked him. The child's throat tore into 1,000 shrill, but the child's throat means only one thing was coming out of the throat of the child, that I want my mother, I want my father, and he was shouting only this one line. The man headed towards the place where the snake charmer still played on the flute to the swaying cobra, and now the man took the boy to the place where the snake charmer was playing bean or flute, and here, listen to that nice music, child. And the man says that you please listen this nice music. He pleaded means he requested, but the child shuts his ears with his fingers and shouted his double pitched strain. Now he is shouting in double voice, that double loud voice, I want my mother, I want my father. Now you can see that all these things are the same things which the boy wanted, which the child wanted earlier when he was with his mother and father, but this time he is just refusing everything. The man took him near the balloons, and now the man just took him to the balloon seller, thinking the bright colors of the balloon would distract the child's attention and quieten him. And the man was thinking that because of these balloons, the child would stop crying, and he will be distracted and will become quiet. But would you like a rainbow colored balloon? क्या तुम्हें ये rainbow colored balloon पसंद आएंगे? बहुत सारे balloon मैं तुम्हें दिला दूंगा. He persuasively means मनाने के लिए, फुसलाने के लिए, बहलाने के लिए. The child turned his eyes from the flying balloons and just sobbed. Now the child just turns his eyes from the flying balloon means वो अपनी नजरें वहां से हटा लेता है. He stopped looking at the balloons and just sobbed. Sobbed मतलब सुबुकना, रोना, and says the same thing, I want my mother, I want my father. The man is still trying to make the child happy, and that man is still trying to make the child happy, but unfortunately the child is not stopping to cry. Bore him to the gate where the flower seller sat, and now they went to the flower seller. Look, can you smell those nice flowers, child? अरे बच्चे, क्या तुम्हें इनकी खुशबू, प्यारी खुशबू आ रही है? Would you like a garland to put around your neck? And you remember that a garland of gulmohar was a thing that the child wanted earlier in this chapter. So the man asks the same thing. Would you like a garland to put around your neck? क्या तुम अपने लिए एक माला लेना चाहोगे? The child turned his nose away from the basket. The child is not interested in those flowers or the garland of flowers, and reiterate मतलब repeat करना, दोबारा दोहराना, and say the same thing again. I want my mother, I want my father. thinking to humor his disconsolate charge by a gift of sweets. Now he thinks that I should consolate him by the sweets. Means I should keep him quiet, I should stop him, I should make him stop his crying by giving him some sweets. The man took him to the counter of the sweet shop. जो मैन था वो उसको स्वीट शॉप के काउंटर पर लेके जाता है. नाउ ही आस्क्स व्हाट स्वीट्स वुड यू लाइक चाइल्ड, कौन सी मिठाई लेना पसंद करोगे. एज यू रिमेंबर ही वॉज आस्किंग फॉर बर्फी, ही वॉज रिक्वेस्टिंग फॉर बर्फी, बट द चाइल्ड टर्न्ड हिज फेस फ्रॉम द स्वीट शॉप. बच्चा इस बार भी अपनी चेहरे को मिठाइयों की दुकान से हटा लेता है. And only sobbed, I want my mother, I want my father, and here the story finishes. Now, the story finishes without telling us whether he gets his father or mother or not, but this story clearly tells us that the most important thing or the most important person in a child's life is his parents, and nothing can compare, nothing can replace the parents in the life. That's why the boy or the child is continuously sobbing and shouting, I want my mother, I want my father. So this is a very incredible and very interesting story by Mulk Raj Anand, and I hope you are liking my videos, you like my videos, and you will subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.